Yeah, no, here we have Sammy, 1999 Toyota Aristo 2JZ. It's a 3-litre petrol engine, and this car came from Japan. So this here, Sammy, is a factory engine. This came in this car in Japan, so that's standard.
Okay.
Some guys in Japan in some motorsport shop have added the Greddy turbo, which is a factory turbo. It's quite big as well, so it's given me an indication that this car is potential of going even a lot faster than it is at the minute.
Okay.
And it's kitted out with all the gear, like even your heat shields here, your aluminium rad, throttle bodies, everything done to this car.
Chris, what could this car be used for?
Sammy, this car is in that good of condition that whoever wins this car will be only using it to take out on the good roads in the summer. It's pretty much a fast luxury car, like, you know. It's going to be showed. I'd say this car will end up going to a lot of show and shines and cruises and things like that, just simply because it's that clean.
Well, I have the keys here, so do you want to hop in?
Let's go, Sammy.
Oh, look at that. Pretty cool.
That's it, Sammy.
Yeah, handy.
This is a luxury car, in fairness.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's so clean.
It's finished inside.
And the seats are so comfy.
Yeah. And it has this factory R15 gearbox in it as well.
Okay. Yeah, I'm dying to get a wee rip in it now.
Look at all these wee things. This is like your boost controller. So this wee thing here now, Sammy, see the way it's reading all the different numbers?
Is this like Fast and the Furious sort of stuff here?
So if you twist this a wee bit, the car will go faster.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Right. So this is live on the website now, and it could be yours for just $14.97.